Sentence patterns. This is a cake Mr. Miller made. これはミラさんが作ったケーキです。This sentence demonstrates how to describe an object by stating who made it. That man who is over there is Mr. Miller. あそこにいる男性はミラさんです。This sentence identifies a person based on their location. I have forgotten the words I learned yesterday. 昨日学んだ言葉を忘れました。This sentence expresses the concept of forgetting something learned previously. I have no time to go shopping. 買い物に行く時間がありません。This sentence conveys the lack of time to perform an activity. Example sentences. This is a photo I took on the Great Wall of China. これは私が中国の万里の長城で撮った写真です。This sentence uses a relative clause to describe a photo. Which is the picture Miss Karina drew? Karina-sanが描いた絵はどれですか? This sentence is a question asking for the identification of an object by the person who made it. Who is that woman wearing the kimono? 着物を着ている女性は誰ですか? This sentence asks for the identity of a person based on their clothing. Mr. Yamada, where did you first meet your wife? Yamada-san, 奥さんとはどこで初めて会いましたか? This sentence inquires about a specific event in someone's past. How was the concert you went to with Miss Kimura? Kimura-sanと行ったコンサートはどうでしたか? This sentence asks for an opinion about a past event. What's wrong with you? どうしたんですか? This is a general question expressing concern. What kind of house do you want? どんな家が欲しいですか? This sentence asks about preferences or desires regarding housing. Would you like to go for a drink this evening? 今晩、一緒に飲みに行きませんか? This is an invitation to go out, typically to socialize. Conversation. What kind of apartment would you like? Real estate agent. 不動産業者. 1. Wang. How about this one? これはどうですか? The rent is 80,000 yen. 家賃は8万円です. It's far from the station. 駅から遠いですね. Then how about this one? ではこれはどうですか? This one's convenient. It's a 3-minute walk from the station. こっちは便利です。駅から散歩の歩きです。Oh, a kitchen dining room, a Japanese style room, and 台所、ダイニングルーム、和室、そして、Excuse me? What is this? すみません。これは何ですか? It's an 押し入れ。これは押し入れです。Is a place to put photon in. これはフォトの入れる場所です。I see. わかりました。Can I take a look at this apartment today? 今日このアパートを見てもいいですか? Yes, shall we go now? Hi, Ema ikimashou ka? Yes, please. Hi, onegai shimasu. Positions in society. Kone, nation. Shoucho, prime minister. Nekako Sori Daijin, another term for prime minister. Todofuken prefecture. Chiji, governor. Shi, city. Shichu, mayor. Machi, town. Chuchu, town headman. Mura, village. Sunchu, village headman. Daigaku University. Gakuchu, president. Kotogaku Senior High School. Kocho, principal. Chugaku Junior High School. Kocho, principal. Shugaku Elementary School. Kocho, principal. Yuchien, kindergarten. Encho, director. Company positions. Kaisha, company. Kaicho, chairman. Shacho, president. Yakucho, director. Zuyaku, executive. Bucho, department chief. Kacho, section chief. Genko, bank. Todori, president. Shitensho, branch manager. Hospital positions. Byu-in, hospital. Encho, director of hospital. Bocho, department chief. Fucho, head nurse. Police station. Keisatsu, police station. Shucho, chief. Clothes. Sutsu, suit. A formal set of clothing, typically consisting of a jacket and trousers or a skirt, worn for business or formal occasions. One-piece suit. One-piece dress. A dress that is made from a single piece of fabric, covering both the upper and lower body. Owagi, jacket. An outer garment that extends to the waist or hips, often worn for warmth. Zubun, trousers or pants. A piece of clothing that covers the body from the waist down and has two separate parts for each leg. Pantsu, pants. Can refer to both trousers or undergarments depending on the context. Jeans, jeans. A type of durable trousers made from denim, often worn casually. Sukat, skirt. A piece of clothing that hangs from the waist and covers all lower part of the legs, typically worn by women and girls. Boraisu, blouse. A loose-fitting upper garment worn by women, typically with a collar, buttons, and sleeves. Waishatsu, white shirt. Refers to a dress or shirt, commonly white, worn for formal occasions or with a suit. Seta, sweater. A knitted garment typically with long sleeves, worn over the upper body for warmth. Mafura, muffler or scarf. A piece of cloth worn around the neck for warmth. Tibukuru, gloves. Garments that cover the hands and fingers, typically used for warmth or protection. Itagi, underwear. Clothing worn under outer garments, typically next to the skin. Futsushita, socks. A piece of clothing worn on the feet and often extending to the ankle or calf. Pantsuto, pantyhose or tights. Close-fitting leg wear, covering the body from the waist to the toes, typically worn by women. Kimono, A traditional Japanese garment characterized by long sleeves and a wraparound design. Obe, obe, a white belt worn with a kimono, often elaborately decorated. Obakuto, overcoat, a long coat worn over other clothing for warmth. Raincoat, raincoat, a waterproof coat worn to protect against rain. Necktie, necktie, a piece of cloth worn around the neck, typically under the collar and tied in front, often worn with a suit. Biroto, belt, a band worn around the waist to support trousers or for decoration. High heel, high heels, shoes with tall, thin heels, often worn by women. Boots, boots, sturdy footwear that covers the foot and the ankle and sometimes extends up the leg. Onduguts, sneakers, comfortable shoes designed for physical exercise but often worn casually. Zuri, zuri, traditional Japanese sandals made of rice straw or other materials, often worn with kimono. Tabi, tabi, traditional Japanese socks that separate the big toe from the others, often worn with zuri or other traditional footwear. Clothes, suit, one-piece dress, jacket, trousers or pants or jeans, skirt, blouse, white shirt, sweater, gloves, muffler, underwear, pantyhose, tights, socks, kimono, overcoat, raincoat, necktie, belt, high heels, boots, sneakers, zore, tabe. Thank you for watching. Please like and share Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. See you next time. Matane!